Good morning everyone. I hope you all are fine at your home. So I am back with your English reasoning video for class 2 and we are going to discuss today the topic picture puzzle. This we have already done and now we are back with the more examples of picture puzzle, more questions of picture puzzles. So let's begin with the topic. So students, we are going to do picture puzzle today. This we have already understood in previous classes. Picture puzzles means we are given some pictures, we have to identify those pictures and then write the name of those pictures. Now for example, we are given picture of arm. Arm means your body part. ARM. So we can go with the picture like this. Now we are given mouth here, so we'll write the name of the mouth. So MOUTH. So it will be mouth. Now we can see that picture of foot is given here. So F is given. So we are going to start with FOOT. Now moving to next picture. This is here given. So H is also given here, so we can easily find out that from left to right we are going to cover this. So HAIR here. Now students, we can easily find out the words which we get in this picture puzzle are from human body, or we can say that they are human body part. So this way we can find out next picture is of finger. So F is given here, FINGER. So it will be finger. Now next picture is given here is of ear. So E and R is given here. We have to just write A. So for that we have to learn the spellings of the right spellings of the words or the pictures given. Okay students, so this is it for classwork and we are going to have a look on the homework. This is your homework. You have to identify the pictures drawn in the front of the words and you have to write the name of the pictures. So this is it for this class. I hope you enjoy the topic and you'll practice it, and definitely you are going to do it easily. So bye bye for now. I will see you in another video.